Right. It says which of the following statements is true? 3 is a multiple of 9. That is not true. 9 is a multiple of 3. So them turn it wrong. 3 is not an integer. 3 is actually an integer. 9 is a prime number. 9 is actually a composite, right? Because it has 3 factors. 1, 3, and 9. So that leave it with D. 9 is a factor of 9. All numbers are factors of themselves. All right, number 2 say, which one of the following set contain numbers contain all the factors of 20? So factors are numbers that can divide equally into another number without leaving a remainder. 1 can go into 20. 20 times, 2 can go into 20. 10 times, and of course we have 4 can go into 25 times. So that'll be P. So that'll be P. Alright, this one now, what is 4 raised to the third power? They might bring them one here the first part, not realize. And even repeat them sometimes. 4 to the third is equal to 4, 4, 16, and that's 64. Alright, so I can see if we can match up the rest now. This one says, what's the square root of 121? What number multiplied by itself give you 121? So that would be 11. All right, so what is 630,000? It means standard form, right? So standard form means it must be between 1 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 times. So it will be C. 3.2 times 10 to the third power would be cakewalk, right? Look on 7 now, and then 8. So what is 3.2 times 10 to the third power, right? 10 to the third power, 10 times 10 times 10, right? So this is 1,000. And we move the decimal point based on the number of zeros. So it means we have to go move 3 zeros. So we can just add on 2 numbers. So we have space 1, 2, 3. So that would have been B. So one night in England, temperature outside was -2 and the Celsius inside was 23 degrees. What was the difference in temperature? No matter how many times we show people this, some people don't get it. That's true. So when it does zero below zero, that's when the minus come in, right? It's an extra cold. Like phone place, cold, right? I don't know if you ever go -3 yet, but phone place cold. In Jamaica, sunny, man. So when it go below zero, that's when it's extra cold. So the difference in temperature will be all related to that. So it's obviously the number. Because from here to here, the magnitude are 3. And from here to here, the magnitude are 23. So all we do, we just add 23 plus 3. And now I'm not feeling with a negative or a positive number. It's really the temperature. Alright. Good job, bro. We've been there before. What is 18 written as a binary number? And then everybody favorite decimal. Alright, so for it's alright. What is 18 written as a binary number? So all we're doing is just dividing 18 by 2. So put the remainder. The remainder will be our answer, right? So 2 into 18, that's 9 times remainder 0. 2 into 9, that goes off 4 times, remainder 1. 2 into 4, that goes 2 times, remainder 0. 2 into 2, 1, remainder 0. So the answer actually starts from here. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So we start from here, go up. So that would have been C. All right, next time says solve 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.06. So it will be 1. Come on, them something label wrong, you know. So we add these, right? So this will give us 6, 5, 1, 1.56. And then we're gonna subtract. The rule says once you subtract the decimal point, must add the decimal point. 0 from 6, so that's 1.26. If I could do that paper already, but it labeled a different number. Hold on, guys, hold on.
Mhm.
All right, so it says there are 2,430 students in a school. Each student must get 2 pens. So just that each person will get 2 pens, right? So that means, oh, the number of pack. All right, cool. All right, Heidi, thanks. I don't know the answer for that one of them, so we could just work it out. All right, so you said 2 pens, right? That means, and they said there are 18 pens in a pack. How many packs needed? So we need the total number of pens that we're gonna have, or we are considering. So if each person I get 2 pens, we can times that by 2 to get the total. So we're gonna need a total of 4,860 pens, and we have 18 in each pack. So we are gonna divide. Like a DI answer, 2 times 18, 36. Subtract, we get 2. Carry down the 6. No, something wrong there. 2, that's at, oh, you're right, 126. Yeah, so this is 7. 7 times that, 126. And then carry down the 0. So who said D? Let's see who said D, though. Who said D? Somebody choose D and then them say no. I see. All right, let me see how we. Let's see. Now, everybody choose that for number one, you know. Oh, yeah, go. So everybody get number 2, though. Let me see what Ailey picked. That Ailey. All right. So it's actually what? It's actually 270, guys. Remember, you know, you have 2,000 students, and each person will get 2 of the pen. So you just times it by 2, so you know the total. That one you're correct. In 1980, the population of our island was 2.75. In 1990, it was 2.95 million. What was the growth? 200,000, right? All right, move on. What is the square of 15? And what is the value of 4 to the third? You see them bring back that one there again? Then bring back the one with the 4 to the third. There. What's the square of 15? So 15 square means 15 multiplied by 15. So that will be 225. What's the value of 4 to the third power? That's a repeat one. That gives us 64. Standard form, this one is new, so it's 7,600 in standard form. In standard form, it means it must be between 0 and 10, right? So the decimal is here, so we are carried to here. I will count the number of places, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 7.6 times 10 to the positive 3, since we're going to our right to get back the original. All right, this one say, which of the following has the lowest value? 7.2 times 10 to the second power, 6.31 times 10 to the third power, 5.07 times 10 to the second power, or 2.083 times 10 to the fourth power. Let me see if we can get in the next question in our frame. Nah, go worry. Yeah, man, you cannot worry. Which one has the lowest value? And for that one here, we say, one day, the level of the water in the river was 35 centimeters above a mark. A week later, it was 12 centimeters below the mark. How far did the water level drop during that week? And the next one say, how many minutes are in 2.25 hours? So we can get them treated done, all right? Let's go. All right, so which of the following has the lowest value? If you look at these are gonna be large, right? Because if this move this 4 times, 1, 2, 3, I got add on a 0. So this is gonna be large, and this one is gonna be large because I move it what 3 times, 1, 2, I got add. So that's 6,000. 3, 10, I got 2,000, 8, 2, until 20,000. All right, so this one now, two of them are moved to decimal. So this now would have be 7.2, I add a 0, so 1, 2, 720, 1, 2. So 5, all right. So this I answer. Agree. No one realize it's so simple. All right. That one here now, guys. It's a one day the level of the mark in the river was 35 above a mark. A week later it was 23 below the mark. How far did it go? I think it's gonna be a big number. This is why. Let us say this at the mark, right? And it's 35 centimeter above. So that means the distance here is 35. And the next week, it's 12 below. So I can write the 12 below. So I know why. So 12 centimeter. Remember, it was up all the way up here. And it ended up here. 47. 47. You see how much level it dropped, It was 35 above. And then it dropped, go all the way 12 below. So have to be 47. Same thing with the temperature, guys. How many minutes are there in 2.25 hours? And then the question number 9 says, a customer buys items for these amounts. He uses a gift voucher for $100.65 as part payment. How much money does she now have to pay? So check up them two there. And that might, I could try to see if we can do at least 10. That would be good. Yeah. All right. So go ahead. So 10 cents, so a pot cost $60.25 each. So a pot salsa costs $25 each. Customer buy 4 of each. How much change would the customer receive from a $500? Now we are going to stop here. Zoom. All right, it said how many minutes are in 2.25 hours? Let me just zoom in. How many minutes, right? So we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So if I double this, that's a 120, and I find a quarter of it, it'll be 15, right? So 135 minutes. 15 minutes make a quarter. All right, a customer buys an item for these amounts. 150, 84, 190, and 620. She uses a gift voucher for 165 cents as part payment. How much money does she now have to pay? So we could add these and we get the grand total. So it'll be 150, so 84, 20, and $190. So I put 190. All right, the one now $60.60. All right, so we add because we need to know the total, right? 0, 6 and 2, 8 and 5, 13. So 3 carry 1. 0 and 4, that's 4. That's true, careful. Oh, wrong part. It's a 5. Hold on, there, guys. Put it the wrong place, 6 and 5, 11, and 2, 13. So it should go directly above this, all right? So that's a 5. 6 and 8, 14. And 5, 19, and 28. So 1, 2, 4. Where do 190 come from? Okay, okay. So 1, 2, 4. All right. So total of 485, and she pay the gift voucher of $100.65. So 100 minus 60.5. So 5 from that we can't. So we'll go borrow. That leave 2. That will leave 5. So we can eliminate this. All right, 6 from 2, we can't. We are going to borrow again. That leaves 4. So we leave 6. And of course, this is going to leave 4. 0 from 4, 0 from 8, 8, 1 from 4, 3. So 384.65. I'm not seeing that they're doing. Oh, see them, man. See. Here you go. So this is our answer. 384.65. Now I give voucher, I go reduce it, right? All right, the flower pot costs $60.25 each. Flower pot sources cost 25 each. A customer buys 4 of each. So let's go work out the flower pot first. We have a 60.25 times 4. 4, 4, 5, 20. 4, 2, 8, and that 10. So 0.1. So that will go to 400.4. No, 1. 400 plus 1, 1. And then 4 6 is 24. So that's gonna cost $241, right? And now we're gonna buy 4 for $100, right? That's a 25 each. So in all, we're gonna spend 341.00. Now we are take that from 500 to this step 00. 1 from that we can't. So we're gonna borrow this now. Instead of 4. Carry 10 years so borrow 1 left 9. So this left 9, 5, 3 from the $159. So that would be D. Alright, so guys, we're going 10 over minutes over the time. So we're gonna end there. But next week we can continue, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, take care. Great job.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you guys, alright? 5492161.
See you next week. Have a good weekend.
You as well. Take care.
Wait,
All right. Big up.
wait, I have to erase this.
Take care.
Hey, thanks. Bye.
Bye. Take care. I'm out.
Big up yourself, Sir
Yeah,
Bennett.
man. Big up, man. Big up. All right,
Ah,
bro. Yeah.
yeah.